In this video, I am going to solving the maths from assignment 5.4, but before that you have to watch the previous video, in which video I have discussed about profit and loss. So in that topic I have told you some formulas of profit and loss. You have to memorize that formula. Using that formula you can solve the maths easily. So first questions are MCQ question. A vendor bought oranges at 26 rupees per dozen and sold them at 5 for 13 rupees. His gain percent is. You have to find the gain percent. So a vendor bought 1 dozen oranges at 26 rupees and sold 5 oranges at 13 rupees. You have to find the gain percent. So here it is given the cost price of 12 orange, that is 26 rupees. Selling price of 5 orange, that is 13 rupees. So for finding the gain percent, first of all you have to find the SP of 1 orange and CP of 1 orange. So CP of 12 orange is 26 rupees. So in unitary method, you can find the CP of 1 orange. So CP of 1 orange will be 26 by 12 rupees. 2 13s are 26, 2 6 are 12. So this will be 13 by 6 rupees. SP of 5 orange is 13 rupees. So the SP of 1 orange will be 13 by 5 rupees. So how can you find the gain? You know that if you subtract CP from SP, you can find the gain. In your previous class, you have learned that formula. So gain equal to SP minus CP. So 13 by 5 minus 13 by 6. So you have to subtract these two values. 5 6 are 30, 6 13 is 78, 6 5 is 30, 5 13 is 65. So this will be 13 by 30. And the formula of gain percent is gain by CP into 100%. So the gain is 13 by 30 and CP is 13 by 6 and this is 100%. So 13 by 30. So this is in denominator. If you will put this into numerator, so this will be the reciprocal. This will be 6 by 13 into 100%. 13 13s are 6 5s are 30, 5 20 is 100. So the answer will be 20%. The answer will be 20%. Next, Naresh bought 4 dozen pencils at 10.80 rupees a dozen and sold them for 80 paise each. His gain or loss percent. This is actually same as question number 1, but I am solving this question here. So CP of 12 pencils, CP of 4 dozen pencils at 10.80 rupees a dozen. So the CP of 1 dozen pencils, that means 1 dozen means 12 pencils. So CP of 12 pencils is 10.80 rupees. And CP of 1 pencil. So what will be the CP of 1 pencil? CP of 1 pencils will be 10.80 divided by 12. This much rupees. But the SP of 1 pencil is in paise. So you have to convert this in paise. You know that for converting rupees into paise, you have to multiply by 100. 10.80 divided by 12. This need to multiply by 100 for converting this into paise. So if you will remove this point, so there will be 1. So after decimal there is 2 decimal places after point. So 0 will become here. 100 can be cancelled. So 12 9s are 108. So this will be 90 paise. And SP of 1 pencil is 80 paise. So can you tell me, is this loss or profit? Cost price 90 paise, selling price 80 paise. So there must be loss. So the loss will be CP minus SP. 90 minus 80 paise. So the loss will be 10 paise. You have to find the loss percent. Loss percent will be Loss by CP. CP is 90 into 100 paise. So 0 can be cancelled. This will be 100 by 9%. Next, question number 3. A box of mangoes was purchased by a fruit seller for 300 rupees. However, he had to sell them for 255 rupees because they began to get over-ripened. The loss percentage was. So here the CP and SP all are given. You have to find the loss percent. So first of all, you have to find the loss. You have to find the loss. That means you have to subtract SP from CP. That is 300 minus 255. And then you have to find the loss percent by using the formula loss by CP into 100%. So I am not solving this question. Question number 2. Question number 2. Here the selling price, cost price are given. You have to find the profit or loss. Okay, some informations are given. You have to find the required information. Here in the first question, selling price, cost price are given. You have to find the profit and loss. First of all, you have to determine there is loss or profit. Here CP is 1200 rupees, SP is 1350 rupees. So here SP is greater than CP. So there will be obviously profit. So here profit will be SP minus CP. So 1350 minus 1200. So this will be 150 rupees. In the next question, question number 3. Selling price is 1254 rupees. Loss is 32 rupees. You have to find the cost price. So in the case of loss, you know that selling price is less than cost price. Loss amader kokhon hoy jokhon cost price ta selling price theke choto hoy. Cost price ta jokhon selling price theke cost price jokhon selling price theke boro hoy, but selling price ta jokhon cost price theke choto hoy. So in the loss, cost price is greater than selling price. That means you have to add loss with selling price for finding the cost price. Cost price jodi boro hoy, so always amra boro jokhon hoy tokhon amra add korbo. So SP plus loss. So this will be 1254 plus 32 rupees. 4 plus 2 is 6, 5 plus 3 is 8, 1286 rupees. This will be the cost price. Next, in question number 4, cost price is this, loss is this. And in the case of loss, you know that selling price is less than cost price. So less value ta choto value ta amader find out korte hocche. That's why we need to subtract. We need to subtract loss from cost price. 72 minus 15.60. 72.00, 15.60. You have to subtract this. 56.40 rupees. This will be the answer. Next, question number 3. Rajesh purchased a house for 45,200 rupees and spent 2,800 on its repairs. He had to sell it for 46,800 rupees. Find his loss and loss percent. So, cost price of the house is this, and for repairing cost is 2,800. He had to sell it for this. So first of all, you have to find the total CP. You have to find the total CP. Total CP, that means you have to add the repairing price with cost price. Repairing price with actual cost price, that is 45,200 plus 2,800. 45,200 plus 2,800. First of all, you have to add this two value. 0, 8 plus 2, 10. 5 plus 2, 7 plus 1, 8. So this will be 48,000. So can you tell me, is there profit or loss? The CP is 48,000. SP is 46,800. So So obviously there will be loss because CP is greater than SP. CP is greater than SP. So that's why there will be loss. Okay, so first of you have to for finding the loss you have to subtract CP from SP. Sorry, for finding the loss you have to subtract SP from CP. So 48,000 minus 46,800. So 0, 0 to 10, 6, 7, 1, 8. So 1200 rupees. 0 minus 0, 0, 0 minus 0, 0, 8 to the 10 and 6 plus 1, 7, 8. So this will be 1200 rupees. Okay, so you have to find the loss percent. Loss percent, loss by CP into 100%. So the loss is 1200. CP is 48,000 into 100. So you can cancel 0. 12 4s are 48. 12 10s are 2 2s are 4. 5 2s are. So the loss will be 2.5%. Next, question number 4. Shubho bought 100 eggs for 50 rupees. Out of these 4 eggs were found to be broken and he sold the remaining eggs at the rate of 8 rupees 50 paise per dozen. Find his gain or loss percent. So he bought 100 eggs, but when he went to for selling, he can sell 96 eggs because 4 eggs were found to be broken. So first of all we need to write which information is given in the question. Total CP is 50 rupees and this is the CP of 100 eggs. But in the question SP of selling price of 12 eggs are given. So the selling price of 12 eggs are 8.50 rupees. So SP you have to find, he can sell 96 eggs. So you have to find the selling price of 96 eggs. So selling price of 1 eggs will be 8.50 by 12 and selling price of 96 eggs is 8.50 by 12 into 96. 8 12s are 96. So 68.00 rupees. So that is 68 rupees. So there will be obviously profit. So the profit will be SP minus CP. 68 minus 50. So this will be 38. So the profit percent is profit by CP into 100%. So profit is 38. CP is 50 and into 100%. So 0 can be cancelled. 5 to the 10. So this will be 76% will be the profit. Sorry, there is a silly mistake, that is 68 minus 50. This will be 18. Here will be 18. So 18 to the 36. So the answer will be 36%. Okay. Next one is question number 5. Basir bought an article for this much rupees and spent 35 rupees on its transportation. So transportation cost is 35 rupees. So for finding the actual cost price, you have to add the transportation cost with this cost. And at what price should he sell this article to have a gain of 16%? Here the total CP is 1215 plus 35 because this is the cost of the article and this is the transportation cost. So 1215 plus 35, this will be 1250 rupees. Gain percent is 16%. So you have to find the selling price. When in a question cost price and gain percent is given, I have told you for finding the selling price, this formula, selling price equal to 100 plus gain percent by 100 into cost price. So 100 plus gain percent is 60 by 100 into cost price is 1250. 116 by 100 into 1250. So we can cancel 0, 5 to the 10, 5 25 is 125. So we can cancel 116 by 2 because this is an even number. 2 5s are 10, 2 8s are. So 58 multiplied by 25 gives So this gives 1450, 1450. So 1450 will be the required selling price. Next, question number 6. A farmer sells his product at a loss of 8%. If his CSP is 27,600, what was his actual loss and what is his cost price? So here loss percent is given and selling price is given. So you can find the cost price by using the formula. So loss percent is 8%, selling price is 27,600. So the formula of selling cost price is 100 by 100 minus loss percent into selling price. So 100 by 100 minus loss percent. Loss percent is 8 here and selling price is 27,600. 100 by 92 into 27,600. Okay. So we can cancel by 4. 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12. 4 25s are. So we can cancel this by 23. 23 1s are 23. 24, 25, 26, 7, 46, 23 2s are 46, so 1200, 0, 25 2s are 50, so 25 multiplied by 12 is 30, so the answer will be 30,000. And then you have to find the loss. Loss equal to CP minus SP, that is 30,000 minus 27,600, so there will be 24,400, 2,400. This will be the loss. Next, question number 8. Harish purchased 50 dozen bananas for 135 rupees. 5 dozen bananas could not be sold because they were rotten. At what price per dozen should Harish sell the remaining bananas so that he could make a profit of 20%? So the purchase cost price is 135, but here a profit percent is 20%. So you have to find, first of all you have to find the selling price. So CP of 50 dozen bananas is 135 rupees. Profit is 20%. First of all you have to find the selling price. So 100 plus profit percent, that is 100 plus 20 by 100 into CP. CP is 135. 120 by 100 into 135. So 0 can be cancelled. 5 2s are 10. 5 2s are 10. 5 7s are 32. 6 are 12. 162 rupees. This will be the selling price. So this is the selling price. So 5 dozen bananas will be rotten. So he can sell 45 dozen bananas. So SP of 45 dozen bananas is 162 rupees. So SP of 1 dozen, you have to find the selling price of each dozen. That is selling price of 1 dozen bananas. That is 162 by 45. 3 5s are 15. 3 4s are 12. 3 15s are, then 3 5s are 15. 3 18s are, so 18 by 5, that is equal to 5 3s are 15, 3.6 rupees. So the selling price of each dozen bananas is 3.6 rupees. Next, question number 9. Ishita sold a book worth 200 rupees at a profit of 20% to Rohan. Rohan sells it at a loss of 10% to Rishi. What did Rishi pay for his book? So Ishita sold a book worth 200 rupees. So the CP of the book is 200 rupees at a profit of 20% to Rohan. So the selling price of Ishita will be the cost price of Rohan because Ishita sold this book to Rohan. So the selling price of Ishita is equal to the cost price of Rohan. So first of all, you have to find out the selling price of Ishita. Cost price of Ishita is 200 rupees, profit percent 20%. So selling price of Ishita will be 100 plus profit percent by 100 into CP. So 100 plus 20 by 100 into CP, that is equal to 200. 120 by 100 into 200. 0 can be cancelled. So this will be 240 rupees. This will be the selling price of Ishita. Now this will be the cost price of Rohan. So the cost price of Rohan is 240 rupees. Loss of Rohan, loss percent of Rohan is 10%. 10%. So first of then you have to find the selling price of Rohan. So 100 minus 10 by 100 into CP, that is 240. 90 by 100 into 240. 0 can be cancelled. 4 9s are 36. 9 2s are 18 plus 3 21. So this 216. This will be the selling price of Rohan. 216. So since Rohan sell to Rishi, so the selling price of Rohan will be the cost price of Rishi. So what did Rishi pay for this book? Rishi paid 216 rupees. Next, question number 10. The cost price of 8 books is equal to the selling price of 6 books. Find the gain percent. Here the cost price of 8 books is equal to the selling price of 6 books. Find the gain percent. Here nothing is given, any cost price or selling price. It is just given that the cost price of 8 books is equal to the selling price of 6 books. So the cost price of 8 books be X. Selling price of 6 books be also X. Because in the question it is given the selling price of 6 books is equal to the cost price of 8 books. So here first of all we will assume the cost price of 8 books be X rupees. So the selling price of 6 books is also X rupees. So cost price of 8 books is X rupees. So the cost price of 1 book will be X by 8 rupees. Selling price of 6 books is X rupees. So selling price of 1 book will be X by 6 rupees. In unitary method you can learn that. So the gain will be SP minus CP, that is X by 6 minus X by 8, that is will be 4X minus 3X. So X by 24 rupees. This is the gain. So the gain percent will be gain by CP into 100%. So the gain is X by 24. CP is X by 8 into 100%. So X by 24 into 8 by X into 100%. X can be cancelled. 8 3s are 24. So 100 by 3, that is 33 whole 1 by 3%. 100 by 3, if you will convert this into mixed fraction, you can get 33 whole 1 by 3%. This will be the actual answer. So I hope all of you can understand all questions from this assignment, but I have left some questions, that is question number 7, 11 and some questions from question number 2 also. So you have to solve that questions by yourself. But before doing this maths, first of all you have to memorize the formula, all formulas of profit and loss. If you will use the formula, you can solve the maths easily.